When I found out Mr. Tang had died, I couldn't sleep. I was having nightmares. He was appearing in my dreams, asking for help. I just did what I needed to do as a human being.
Ms Lipsky was the only person that night who thought of getting an umbrella to shelter a saturated Mr Tang as he lay dying.
He couldn't move. He was trying to make some sound. He was disoriented. You could tell he was in pain. And then his eyes started to roll up, and I knew he was in a lot of trouble. I could see a human suffering right in front of my eyes. I felt very sad. Yelled at him, get out and get up. I saw him crawling out of that cell door like a dog with blood in his mouth. At that moment, my heart had sunk. I could not believe what I was seeing. I felt a moment of great sadness.
Five police officers dealt with Mr Tang at Dandenong that night, and the Victorian Police Commissioner has now admitted they were derelict in their duties and did not follow existing procedures. They were all women. They all declined to give evidence, one citing mental distress, another that she risked being prosecuted with manslaughter. The sergeant in charge, Megan Whitehead, later asked if Mr Tang was treated humanely, replied, "I thought he was treated the same as anyone we get in there." Deputy Commissioner Tim Cartwright apologised to Mr Tang's family on behalf of Victoria Police.
We fell well short of the standards expected in terms of both the care we showed and the respect and dignity we provided. We missed many opportunities to get medical assistance for Mr Tang. I find his treatment deeply distressing and can only imagine how distressing it is for his family and his loved ones. We should have done much better for Ling Tang. We let him down, we let his family down, and we let the community down.